Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Motion FX, and I'm gonna break down my $350 win today in US 30. Let's get into it. As you guys can see here, it was a $350 win. As you can see, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So I'm gonna break it down to you, show you guys what happened today. So I came in the charts at 9 a.m. We wanted to catch the 9:30 market open. Every time market opens at 9:30, there's a huge push, huge volume. So I seen price in an overall downtrend, and we broke out last week Friday, broke out into an uptrend, and then price broke back below this structure point yesterday. So I now know that we're overall in a downtrend. So we will be looking for sells. As you guys can see now, going to 5 minute time frame, I found resistance and I found support. Let me zoom in a little bit more and show you guys. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I found resistance and I found support, and all we needed was just a breakout from 9:30 push. So price came up, breakout to the upside, but we know that was manipulation. Why? Because the market is trending in a downtrend. So we'll be looking for sells. So we noticed there was a manipulation. So we waited for price to break out support zone. Now, realistically, I could have entered on this trend line right here. I could have just entered right here and targeted these lows, but I needed the extra confirmation. Why? Because earlier before 9:30 we broke above the resistance zone. So I just needed some extra confirmation to make sure that price was not going to keep going higher. So as you guys can see right here, price came up in the trend line, price broke through resistance and then rejected, came back down and broke out support. Okay, so since price broke out support, we entered right here and targeted the next previous zone, and then we put our stop above the recent zone. And it's an easy 1 to 2 breakout strategy, easy scalps. We made $350, and yeah, we ended the day in profit today. So that's really it, guys. All you gotta do is just identify market trends. You go in the hourly time frame, and I'm gonna break it down for you guys. As you guys can see here, price is making lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then price broke out. As you guys can see right here, price broke out last week Friday, and then price switched back and came back below this structure point. Now, this structure point determines if price is gonna keep heading to the upside or if it's gonna keep heading to the downside. So as we see yesterday, price broke back below the structure point, retested, me get this arrow. Price broke below the structure point, retested, and then kept pushing down. So we know price is in a downtrend this morning. So when we came into the market at 9 o'clock, we were looking for a break to the downside for a sell. As you guys can see, that's exactly what we got. Break it down again for you guys. Price is consolidating. As you can see, price is consolidating inside the support and resistance. So price is making support and resistance. We identified that. We drew it out, support. Put this right here just so you guys can see. You guys can see price made support and price made resistance. And all we did was waited until 9:30 through our support zone since we was looking for a sell. And we got that break with volume. We entered, put our stop above the recent zone, which was here. As you guys can see, price was making price was respecting a little zone right here. So we put our stop above that zone and we targeted the hourly lows, which is right here, had multiple touches. So we know that was a good target. And as you guys can see, the trade cash for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. We risked $150 and we made $300. So today was a good trade. Overall, it was an easy scalp, easy strategy. We stayed by our rules. We was patient and we got our payout. So if you guys want to trade with me live, you guys can click the link in the description. Trade with me live on Discord. Follow me on Instagram at MotionFX, on TikTok, MotionFX, and you guys can start your trading journey and start making profit every day like me.